morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, pupils. How are you doing today? I welcome you to NCEE class. Okay. Madushe, you're welcome. Sources, you're welcome. I know we are not prepared for this. And that is the reason why I've been shouting online class, online class. Parents should be conversant with online class. Parent needs to be conversant with online class. Now you can see, without even knowing what will happen, you can see what is happening at the moment now.
Why you guys not doing it?
So that's how the show today. You talk about it. Of course, we're not.
You guys want to enter the class and let me see you. Why?
You want to enter the class. You listen to your face. Okay then. No.
You cannot mute yourself, I will mute you. It's as simple as that. If you cannot mute yourself, I will mute you. It's as simple as that. When you enter the audition, next time you enter, you have to mute yourself. Don't wait for me to mute you. You are making noise. That's why I'm muting you. I hope you can hear me clearly.
Yes, sir.
Again, I didn't say it to you. Now, I'm sharing this screen for you to see. And I hope you can note them down. So in your NCEE, I will not just be teaching you binary, just binary. No. You need to be introduced to other number system. I'm coming. Let me mute those who are coming in. All right. Olumofe, you're also welcome. Now, looking at this now, we can see that it's not only binary system that we need to know. We also need to understand that the base 3 system is also called ternary. You can see base 4, you can see base 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on and so forth. Now, note them down. I'm recording it so that when I'm done, please, your voice is coming here. So when I'm done, I can send some video to people that are not able to come. Now, I'm looking at the fact that we have just 2 participants. I'm not happy about that. Olumofe, connect to audio so that I can hear what I'm saying. All right. Let the class start. Okay, this is Inadi. Inadi, you are welcome. I will not be able to hear what you are saying because of the background noise. I will not be able to hear, but you can hear me clearly if you connect to the what was it called? If you connect yourself to the audio. Now we'll be looking at other bases too. So, and as a puppy that really understand number base, you should also know the name of the other base. So know these names down. Know this name you are seeing on your screen down, as you can see. Okay, let me unmute you so that I will be sure you can see what I'm looking at on the screen. Success, can you see what is on the screen? Can you see these bases and the names?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
You can see the names, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, okay. I will mute you back. Inadi, can you see what is on the screen? Please write them down. Inadi, can you see what is on the screen? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Are you noting them down? Write them down. Note them down. These are the names of other bases. It's not only binary that you need to know. Like I used to let you know that your NCEE class is not just to pass common entrance. It's for you to have deeper knowledge in everything you do in the class. You should have a more deeper knowledge on every topic you do. Now, I will take you to calculations now. You should not only number base 2, you should be able to convert to base 10 and base 10 to base 2. You should be able to convert base 10 to any basis, any other base, even if it's base 2, even if it's base 10, even if it's base 4, you should be able to convert from base 10 to other bases. And you should be able to convert any other basis. Okay, I need to move you back. Your noise is coming. All right, let me take you to calculation now. Alumofe, I don't know why you cannot, I don't know why you are not connected to the audio. I think that is why I can't hear you. Let me see if I will hear you now. Olumofe, can you hear me? Benjamin, can you hear me? Okay. You are not connected. I can see that you are not connected. That's why I'm trying to be sure. Benjamin, can you hear me now? You are not connected. It seems you cannot hear me, Benjamin. Benjamin, try and connect to your audio. Try and connect to your audio. All right. I just have to. I believe by now we are all done. Okay, let me ask you generally. By now, are we all done noting what is on the screen now? Success, are you done with what is on the screen?
No, sir.
They are just 20 now. Write fast. We don't have time. They are just 20.
Sir, I'm almost done.
Almost done. Okay. Ikem, are you done writing?
No.
Please write fast. They are just 20. There are other bases too. I have there. But I want us to just know the 20. In case it can be asked, what is base 10 called? I've told you that before. Base 10 can be called decimal and can also be called denary. Can also be called denary. Base 10 can be called decimal and can also be called denary. Even your base 2 can also be called bisimal. There are some questions that does not need you to calculate. There are some questions that will not even need you to do any calculation. All you just need is to answer straight. For instance, they can ask you, ordinary is dash. You just answer base 8. So these are information that will enable you to get some point even without calculations. So note them down very fast before we go into calculation. Olumofe, I don't think you are connected. to your audio. I can't hear your voice and I can't see your mic there. So I'm sure you are not connected to the audio. The class has started and I have only few participants. Please click on that link to join us on Zoom. Click on the link to join us on Zoom. All right, quickly write. I want to make sure. Benjamin, you are not writing. If I can call you on phone. Where's my small phone? All right, I'm waiting for you to quickly write so that we can move on. Sources, are you done writing now? Sources, are you done writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Benjamin, you are not. Hello, Benjamin. I want to speak with you, Benjamin. Is that Benjamin? Good morning. Benjamin is not connected to the audio. Can you hear me? To the audio, he can't hear what I'm saying. And it's not writing. Is it writing? You are not writing. Are you writing? Yes. You join audio so that I can hear what I'm saying. You are not. You are the only one that is not hear what I'm saying. You are connected to audio now. I can hear. You can hear me now. You can hear me now. All right. Since Benjamin can hear me now, I want you to write, Benjamin, write. It's because you can hear, that's why I called you. Write. Write what is on the screen. Are you writing now? Hello, Benjamin. Okay, let me see. Benjamin, are you writing now?
I'm writing.
We are the one I'm waiting for. Others are done writing. You are the one I'm waiting for. Please write quickly. Write quickly. Write these are your bases. And these are the names of the bases. You know, I told you that in your NCEE, you must have a kind of more information of every topic you do. Don't just, okay, because your scheme is binary, we just stay on binary. You should understand other bases too. So write those other bases and what they are called. So this morning I'll be taking you to calculation quickly so that I can give you a class work to do on that calculation. Write very fast. And if you are unable to write quickly, maybe I'll send it to you later. Write quickly. So these are the names your other bases are called. We know binary, also called decimal. And we understand that the base 3 is called ternary. Base 4 quaternary. Base 5 quinary. Base 7 septenary. 6 quinary. 8 octenary. And this 8 can, and they just tell you alter system. They can just ask you, alter system is known as what? Anyway, you see the word alter, thank God I've taught you some lessons of polygons, and your octagon app is also your what? 8 sides. So when you see the word alter, the one I'm touching now, alter, you know it's base 8. So your alter, your alternary also is also an alter system, is also base 8. Nonary, decimal can also be called denary. Can also be called denary. So that is base 10. Undenary, duodenary. If you are familiar with your polygons and their names, you will still have the logic of how those names are being derived. So quickly write. I'm waiting for you, Benjamin. You are the only one I'm waiting for. Quickly write so that I will take you down to calculation. We should be able to calculate, convert any given base to base 10. You should be able to calculate any given base to base 10. Any given base, I said, any given base to base 10. You'll be able to calculate that. If you are given any base, you should be able to calculate to base 10. So right quickly, you are the only one I'm waiting for. Now, I hope you can see the whiteboard. We are going to convert. So we are converting other bases. Other bases to base 10. We are converting other bases to what? Base 10. That is our topic, converting other bases to what? Base 10. So now, how do we convert other bases to base 10? Let's assume, let's have an illustration. I hope you are writing. Let's have an illustration. Let's we have 1, 0, 2, 3. 1, 0, 2, 3 in base 4. 1, 0, 2, 3. Let me use this because I can put it in the base. In base 4. 1, 0, 2, 3 in base 4. I hope you can see this. I want to convert 1, 0, 2, 3 in base 4 to base 10. To base 10. Let me undo the base. To base 10. 1, 0, 2, 3 in base 4 to base 10. You know, in normal class, we stop at base 2 because that's just the scheme. But there are some exams, there are some schools, I don't know, your school of choice, that will try you. They want to admit the best, so they will try you another way to see if you are really good. So how do we convert 1, 0, 2, 3? It's the same logic we use when we are converting base 2 to base 10. Now, you will note your powers. This will be your 2, this will be your 0, this will be your 2 will stand for 1, this 0 will stand for 2, and this will stand for 3. So now, how do we go about that now? So we have 1, I'll be using x as times so that I can understand it. 1 times 4. Why is it times 4? Because 1 times 4, why is it times 4? Because you are in base 4, converted to base what? Base 10. So 1 times this is your base 4. Your 1 times what? Base 4. Raised to power. So there's a way I write to raised power so I can understand very better. Raised to power 3. Yes, I'm coming. Raised to power 3. Let me undo that. I hope you understand this. Let me unmute you. Please, I don't want noise. I want to unmute you so that I can know if you are following. I'm unmuting you to know if you are following. I don't want to hear any background noise. You are going out. To where? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Do you understand? Do you understand I got the 1?
No.
This is the 1. That 1, the first 1 we have here. Can you see it here? This 1,
Yes.
can you see it? Times the base 4. Hello, times the base. And raised by what? 3. Are you with me? Do you get that now? Success, do you get it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ikem, do you understand what I'm doing?
Yes.
I don't know why you are not. Let me hold on for Ikem to be unmuted. This is not Ikem, but this is Mercy now. Ikem has disappeared. Mercy, welcome. Hello. Oh my goodness. All right, let me continue. I don't know why. Mercy, can you hear me? All right. So this is the one I put here. This is the 1 times the base. Raised by 3. You are joining us late. You will catch up with the record. Now, plus this 0. I want to hear from goodness, but Benjamin.
Yes, sir?
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Aha. Then we move on now. What will be the next figure? What will be the next figure I'll put here?
0.
The 0. I'll be using the years as times. Times what?
4.
Times 4. I don't know why goodness.
Raised to power 2.
Aha. Raised by 2. Good one. Times 4 raised by 2. Thank God you are getting it now. Then we put our plus. Plus what again? 2 times what? 4.
4.
Raised by what?
1.
Raised by 1. Raised by 1. Then what is the next one?
3.
3.
3.
Don't forget your plus.
Times.
Your plus have to be there. Plus 3
Times
4.
4. Raised to power 0.
I can hear from. I wanted. Excuse me. I don't know why this is not being unmuted. I don't know why. All right, times 4 raised by what? 0. Raised by 0. All right. Now we can go to the next line now. We have 1 times 4 raised by 3 will give us what? 4 raised by 3 will give us 4 raised by 3. What would that be?
12.
No. It means 4 times 4 times 4. That will be what? 4 times 4 is Don't forget that 4 raised by this 4 raised by 3. This might be the example I will give you. So let me explain very well. This will be the only example. Means 4 times 4 times 4, which is equals to what?
64.
Why your 4 raised by 2? Your 4 raised by 2.
8.
No, you are still making a mistake.
16.
16.
Why? Because that means 4 times 4 equals to what? 16. Then your 4 raised by 1. Your 4 raised by 1 is what?
4.
Aha. Equals to 4. Then your 4 raised by 0.
Equals to 1.
1. Anything raised by 0 is 1. Anything raised by 0 is 1. So your 4 raised by 0 is 1. I hope we all get this. I'm not hearing from. I'm trying to unmute you, Messi. I don't know why you are not unmutable. I'm trying to unmute you, Messi, but I believe you can hear me. I'm trying to unmute you, but so that I can hear from you, but I don't know what's wrong with your audio. Now, since we understand this, we can move forward now. Let's start from where we stop. So we have 1 times 64. 64 plus is 0 times what? 16. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Plus 2 times 4. Then plus 3 times what?
Times 1.
1. Then we go to the
This
next step.
I don't understand it.
Okay, you can hear me now, Mercy. Listen attentively. Mercy, can you hear me?
Yes.
Listen attentively. I will unmute others because you joined us so late. I will mute others and explain to you again. Now we are converting, you know, in our normal class is just base 2. But in your NCE, you are not stopping in base 2. So we are converting, if you look at the whiteboard, if you look at the whiteboard here, we are converting to other bases. Can you see? We are converting other bases to what? Base 10. Nancy, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
So now, our illustration is to convert, I'm hearing a background noise. That is why I always move students. I'm hearing a background noise there. So we have to convert 1024 in base 4. 1023 rather, in base 4 to base 10. Mercy, are you with me? Mercy, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have this one times the base 4. If following 1 times that base, that's the correct base, which is 4. Raised power 3. You should know how we got that 3. This your 3 power will be 0. For 2, the power will be 1. For 0, the power will be what? 2. And for 1, the power will be 3. So 1 times 4 raised power what? 3. Plus 0 times what? 4 raised power 2. Plus 2 times 4 raised power 1. Plus 3 times 4 raised power 0. Now, from there now, let me bring you back here that 4 raised power 3 is 4 times 4 times 4. I hope you understand that.
This is called raised to power 3.
Are you with me, Mercy?
Yes, sir.
So 4 raised power 3 is 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. Then 4 raised power 2, that is 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is what? 16. 4 raised power 1 is 4. I believe you also understand that 4 raised power 0 is what, Mercy? Mercy. 4 raised power 0 will give us what? Huh? 4 raised power 0 is what? Any raised power 0 is what, Mercy? I can't hear you. Any raised power 0 is 1. So your 4 raised power 0 is 1. So then let's go back to our calculation. So we have 1 times 4 raised power 3 is 64. 1 times 64 plus is 0 times 16, which is 4 raised power 2, plus 2, this 2, times 4 raised power 1, which is 4. 3 times 4 raised power 0, which is 1. Then if we move to the other step now, 1 times 64 will give us 64. Are you following now? Let me unmute others so that they can follow me. Where is success again? So we have 64 plus 16 plus sorry,
4.
0 times 16 is what? 0 rather. Plus 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 3 times 4 is... you are really disturbing me. I will mute you all. Okay, I have to move on now from where I stopped so that I can. So 64 plus 8 plus 3 will give you what? 64 plus 8 is 72. 72 plus 3 will give you 75. That is 75 base 10. 75 base 10. So that's your final answer. 75 base 10. That's your final answer. 75 base 10. You can write it in figure. Can write your base in figure. Can write your base in. Let me explain it again quickly within 1 minute. We are converting to other bases. Now we are converting 1023 in base 4 to base 10. Then your 1 times 4 is power 3. Your 0 times 4 is power 2. Your 2 times 4 is power 1. Your 3 times 4 is power 0. Your 4 is power 3 is 64. So we have 1 times 64. Plus 0 times your 4 is power 2 is 16. Plus 2 times 4 is power 1 is 4. Plus 3 times 4 is power 0 is 1. So we have 1 times 64, 64. 0 times 16, 0. 2 times 4, 8. 3 times 1, 3. Then your final answer give you 64 plus 8, 72. 72 plus 3, 75. That's our final answer. So your classwork, I will send to you on WhatsApp so that you don't waste data. I will send your classwork, your seat work to you on WhatsApp so that you not waste much data on that. So quickly, I believe you have written this. So we can end the class now. Make sure you are staying safe. Don't go anywhere. Whatever class we want to have, we have it online for now until we have the Lagos State government directives. If they direct us to do this or that or move or they release us to go back to school, then we can have physical classes. So take care of yourself, stay at home, and make sure you are not going scatter. Don't roam about. Don't go and look for friends for now. Stay at home. Stay what? At home. Stay healthy. Don't forget your protocols, your COVID-19 protocols. Yeah, still observe them. God bless you in Jesus' name. So take care of yourself. Bye for now. Is Benjamin still writing? Because I'm seeing your hand moving. Benjamin, are you still writing? Hello, I can hear you. Are you still writing?
No.
All right, so we are done for today. I will send you your seat work on WhatsApp so that we not waste. I will not waste your data on that.
Mr. David.
Yes.
Mr. David.
I can hear you.
Mr. David.
Speak, I can hear you.
I just finished connecting, so I just finished connecting, so I did not hear everything that you just said.
So what about the explanation? Are you not getting it? Hello?
No, I did not get it.
I will explain to you again very quickly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't understand.
All right. So let me explain to you quickly now, because my time is even up. My time is up. Okay. What happened is I was saying the record. Can you hear me? It came.
Okay.
I was saying the
Yes.
record. I will send the record to your WhatsApp. That will be better because
Okay.
my time is up. Yes.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.